Hello friends, welcome back to another interesting session of UiPath tutorial. Today we will learn about numeric variables. What is a numeric variable and how it works? So let's jump in. So let's start with a new sequence. We'll name it as numeric variable. So our objective is to know that numeric variable, how it works in UiPath. So first of all, let's do an activity. Let's create two variables. First of all, let bring one sequence. Anytime you are creating any project, either being a sequence or a flowchart, so we'll start one with sequence. Inside the sequence, we will take input dialog as number 1, enter a number. Similar, go to properties, create an output, Control K, int1. Just copy the same thing, paste it down, name it as number 2, enter a number. This time we'll make it as Control K, int2. We'll create one more variable here, total. Now notice here we'll change the variable type to int32, integer 32. Now we are taking one assign activity as total. Here int1 plus int2. This is the beauty of integer variable. Here you can operate any integer activity, any mathematical activity directly with the mathematical operators. No burden, so directly it will work. So message box, total is plus total. Here to notice, as it's an integer, convert it into string dot to string. Done. Run the program. Enter a number 20, 30, total is 50. So that's a simple example of numerical operator. Now we will do one exercise. We will create one task to identify a leap year using numeric variable. It will be a nice use case for a numeric variable. Okay, let's jump in. So far so good. So first let us take one sequence, name it as find leap year. If you guys do practice with me, it will be very much helpful. So first of all, we'll create one variable str year. Let's take one input dialog box. Dialog title year, level, enter a year value, and we already have created str year, that is our variable, but one thing we need to do, that same variable we will keep it as a numeric variable. Okay, next we'll take one if activity. Here we will use str mod 4 is equal to 0. Then message box, let's do it like this: str dot toString plus is a leap year. Copy the same, paste it, is not a leap year. Okay, let's run this. We'll be entering 1 year is not a leap year. Okay, 2000 is a leap year. Please do like and subscribe for more such important videos. Thank you.